DIY, you'll need a binder, some paper of your choice, ribbon, scissors, and of course a Sharpie. To start off this DIY, you're just gonna have to choose some paper that you like. I chose this pink and this berry color. And then you're just gonna slide the colored paper underneath the plastic thing from the binder. I'm sorry, this is so lame. I'm really bad at DIYs, okay? I ended up having to use black and a blue color just to fill in the rest of the red binder. So what you do is just put the black and the blue to cover the rest of the red. And after that, that's what it should look like, and if you can use this for any subject you'd wish. This next DIY is for all you simple people out there. This just takes really no skill. All you have to do is add a white paper underneath the plastic and add a little piece of ribbon. The last DIY, you will need 2 colorful papers and put them on top of each other. You will just staple the sides together and also the bottom to make it a closed bottom and closed sides. This will make you a mailbox for your room or anything you want to put it on. This is just for like a door to your bedroom that, you know, if you have little siblings or even older siblings, you can write letters to each other. I mean, this is what me and my sisters used to do, so I thought I'd show you guys. Once again, I'm very bad at DIYs, so I'm sorry if this was a really bad video, but I tried my best, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to stay tuned for this week's DIYs, because I'm sure they'll be amazing, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.